In this video, I'm going to show you how to do double outside 3 turns. Now, this move, in order to make it easier to learn, you're going to need to be able to do a 3 turn from forwards to backwards, but you're also going to need to be able to do a 3 turn from backwards to forwards. So if you don't know how to do those, I recommend that you watch the videos on how to do those individually before you watch this one. Okay, so that said, double outside 3 turn. It's quite simple. You start, you perform 1 3 turn, you stay, and you perform another 3 turn like that. Now, the principles are the same between both of them, in that you push, you rotate to center, you check, but you have to then let it keep rotating a little bit in order to generate, a bit of rotation to do the second part of the turn. The way I'd recommend doing it, starting off, is by push, taking the free leg back, bringing the free leg in, turning your first 3 turn, leaving the 3 turn in, and turning your second 3 turn. There are a lot of different variations with the free leg that we will cover later, but for now, let's keep it simple, keep it the easiest way like that, and then I'll show you how to take it the next level later on. Okay, so this is the exercise we're going to do in order to practice our double 3 turns. It's literally just going to be double 3 turns down the ice, but we'll start towards the barrier, push, turn, turn, finish off with a little extension, push, turn, turn, extension, push, turn, turn, extension, push, turn, turn, extension. So you're going to go down the ice doing this. Now, why did I finish off with a little extension? It is because when you come to forward, that is going to help you control it a little easier and get ready to go to the next way. So, pattern when trying this exercise, you want to think of your 3 turns of being a semicircle, and you're going to break it down into 3 pieces. So you have the first edge here. When you've done about 1/3 of the circle, you have the first turn, like so. You turned backwards. When you've done about 1/3 of the semicircle here, that's where you have your next turn, and then the final piece, the final third, is where you finish off going forwards. So you're going to aim for going 1/3, turn, turn, and finish it off, okay? That's going to help keep things consistent. You don't want is to keep things relatively straight here, and then at the end, you've got to try and finish it all off, okay? So we're going to go for smooth, controlled, and consistent when doing this. All right, so in this, we're trying to keep basically a bit of controlled rotation going on. You don't want to stop your rotation completely to the point where now you're kind of doing this to get it going. You need to check and control, but you need to allow the movement to keep happening a little bit. So what I mean by that is I push for it, push, check the right side, let it rotate a bit, check the right side, extend and finish it off. As I'm finishing it off, look, I'm staying in this position right here, because like this, I'm ready to start straight away on the new circle and go the other way with another double 3 turn. So push, check, rotate, check, extend, and look, I stay here, push. All right, so here we're going to talk about a few things that are going to help with this. 1, knee action. What do I mean by knee action? I mean push, down, rise up as you turn, down, rise up as you turn, down, stay soft in the knee. Push, down, rise up, turn, stay soft in the knee. You can do it staying down in the ice, you can do it like this, but it doesn't allow you to rock the weight quite as easily, which is why I'd recommend using a bit more knee action. And don't forget, push, the weight goes on the ball of the foot to turn here, and then the heel to turn from backwards to forwards. When I'm teaching people, I often find that they will do the first part very well, but then they'll leave the weight here and they'll try and turn, and what happens is your blade will end up getting kind of stuck like this, and it's very dangerous. You can fall over and hurt yourself. And it's much safer to do turn, flick up onto the heel to turn, and then back again. And using a soft knee action is going to help facilitate that.